Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my top 5 things that I'm really digging right now, so enjoy. So the first thing is this PROMA kit. Now this girl reached out to me on Instagram and was like, can I send you this? And I was like, sure. So I like to see a lot of stuff, and some stuff I love and some stuff I don't like, and if I don't like it, I don't talk about it instead of bashing the product. Because everybody's just doing the best they can, you know? But this came and I'm obsessed with it, and I've been like kind of mixing and matching and putting different things in it before I actually am gonna go order more, because I think I'm gonna do pencils and thicker pencils, and like I really wanna like make this a thing. So this is cute if you're not a makeup artist and you just wanna put your makeup and stuff in it. Like you can fill it with whatever you want. Now if you're a makeup artist, this is great because it's like sits right on the thing and you can just pull from it, and I'm obsessed. So PROMA kit. So I told the girl that I loved it. I'm actually going right now. She said that she would give 10% off to whoever wants. So it's JG0518. I do not make any money from this. I'm just helping a girl that has a dream, and I live for this product. So PROMA kit, PROMA kit, PROMA kit. Way to go. Bioderma, which you can now buy in the States, used to be like you could only get it in Europe, and now you can get it here, but they came out with these like little mini bottles. What I'm saying here is that you can just throw it in your gym bag, throw it in your backpack, take it on the go, and it's smaller than the bigger bottle it comes in. So I just love it, and Bioderma is a really good sensitive makeup remover formula. So number 3 is a new obsession, and I only have one, so I've been like taking it on my kit and then bringing it home and then doing it on myself. And so I've been doing it like once a week. You could do it twice a week. You have to pre-clean your skin with this cleanser that it comes with. Then you stick the little like, what do they call these? Like razor things? It's really easy, like so. And then you can shave. It doesn't sound sexy, and they're probably not gonna be happy the way I'm describing it, but you're not shaving, you're just kind of, you're exfoliating the dead skin, right? And you're also getting rid of any peach fuzz. I'm obsessed with this now. And I feel like when I do, after I do it for the exfoliating purposes, first of all, I don't have any hair anymore, so that's great. But the exfoliating part of it is fantastic because my skin just feels really luminous and clear when I exfoliate. So this is like a great exfoliator. You gotta be careful with it, so that's a disclaimer, but I'm into it. Dermaflash, you've like really crushed it with this product, and it's really lightweight, it's easy to charge, and I love it. And it's really fun when you take out the cartridges because you just click it and it pops out. So yeah, number 3, Dermaflash. Number 4 is from Chantecaille. These are these new lip slicks that came out, and I used one the other day on Kristen Ritter. Oops, I just dropped that name. Let me pick it up. But everybody was like obsessed with it, and they're just these like really, they're like exactly what they're called, a sleek lip, a lip sleek. So it's really sleek. It's very light. So if we're moving away, if you feel like moving away from kind of those heavy matte, these are almost like tinted lip balms because they're super hydrating and so slick, sleek and slick. So this is the one in Grenadine that got a lot of attention. So I made it my favorite this week. Number 5 is this Swell, you know guys, I'm obsessed with Swell bottle, but they're starting to come out with like a bunch more stuff. So this is like a mini tumbler. It can be hot, it can be cold. First of all, it's super chic. Second of all, it just keeps your liquids at the temperature you want them to be for a longer amount of time. So again, cheers to Swell, because you had me at Swell-o. You had me at Swell-o. I hope you enjoyed my top 5 favorite things right now. Please comment below, tell me what you want to see, subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe, show this to all your friends and tell them to subscribe and to wake up from the rock that they've been under. Have a great weekend. Bye.